Record. Awesome. I know. Hello, hello. Welcome to LaMeel TV. I am Priestess LaMeel, and we are here. What day are we on? We are on day 8 of 20 days to manifesting miracles. I almost forgot the long fucking name I gave it, but for good reason. So day 8 is about making space for miracles. Say hi. This is Angel, grandbaby number 1. Do you see yourself? Look, she's so thrilled. And yes, we're on quarantine, so this is, you know, curly hair, don't care kind of day. So I've got, ooh, look at that. I've got today some time, and we're gonna make some amazing videos for you for the next week at a time. And thank you for participating, for watching. I know this has been, we kind of got off of our schedule over here too, because with everybody being on quarantine and schools closing and daycares closing and all of those things happening, it changed schedules for us. So I know it changed it for you. But let me tell you, if you have not subscribed to LaMeel Magic, the link will be below. Do that. I did a pick a card reading for what energy you should be using, doing, being, radiating with during this coronavirus season, right? It's a season, this time period. And you might want to check that out, because this is really, really good manifesting energy. And shameless plug, but these waters, high vibrational, moon charged, priestess blessed, and tuned to the frequency of love, will be available in April. Thank you. In the LUXE and Light Apothecary. The link to the Apothecary and the water category will be below this video as well. Life-changing water. Come back over here. Water. So let's move on to today's topic, which is just making space for miracles. I have my notes over here. Right? So making space for miracles. And how do you make space for miracles? The biggest part of making space for miracles is your belief system. You have to make space in your belief system, in your energy field, in your thought process, right? Because a miracle, everything can be a miracle, or nothing can be a miracle. No, give it to me. Thank you. Or everything can be a miracle. Okay? So two people in the same circumstance, right? And one is like, this is amazing. And other people are like, this is the worst time of my life. And what we are experiencing right now is a prime example of that. She's messing with my earthing bucket. So what do I mean by that? What I mean is that there are people who are still in the energy of fear and worry and doubt and concern and debt. And they're like, oh my God, what are we gonna do during the coronavirus, you know, self-quarantine, all of that kind of stuff. You know, I one person that I work with, like, they're literally stuck in Hawaii. How fucking bad could that be? You know? And it's a great opportunity. It's a great opportunity if you see it that way. And there are people who are stuck there, and other beautiful places who are dreading the situation and not able to get home. They don't, you know what I'm saying? It's everything can be a miracle, or nothing can be a miracle. So thank you. If you are making a space for a miracle, this coronavirus has been an amazing series of miracles for me. My manifestations, this coronavirus brought in my manifestations like totally in the realm of ease and flow. I was just like, whoa, like I said it in January and it happened. I said it at the end of January, beginning of February, and it happened before March was out. I was like, I'm pretty good at this shit. So it can be the same for you. It can be the same for you. So let's get into making that space. Do you believe in miracles? The universe cannot deliver to you that which you do not believe you deserve. So if you don't think you deserve it, if you don't think you can have it, if you think that maybe you can get it, but there has to be all of this shit that has to be taken care of first, then you don't have the space for it. You have to believe it and you have to feel it till you know it's yours. When you do that, don't touch. When you do that, the space for miracles is created. And then you have to hold that space until the miracle manifests. Right? So you can go, I believe in it. I know it's possible. I've seen it happen. It's happened to me before. Now you've got that energy of I believe. Now you have to hold that. Thank you. You have to hold that until the actual miracle manifests for you. And so that's the creating of the space and then staying there. And there's going to be some rocky days, some ups and downs, some shifts, and some balances. Don't touch, baby. But that's okay. It's completely okay. Right? That's part of the learning process. But you just need to, if you get knocked off, don't touch. If you get knocked off, you get back on. If you're out of alignment, you get back in. And you keep doing that, and you keep doing that, and you keep holding that space, and you keep believing until it just has to show. When you truly, truly believe it, it has no choice but to appear. So get in deep into your belief system. Get into the knowing. You can use affirmations and lots of different things to help bring you back to alignment, to the holding that space so that things can happen. I teach this in great depth every month in Alignment Boss, because that is really all that we're about, is how to get back into alignment, how to shift. And for the month of April, our training topic is understanding. A lot of people are hard on themselves when they shift out, and that because they have to shift back in and they shift out. But that shifting out, like, you have to have the unwanted to know what it is that you do want. You need the contrast so that you can ask for more things. Leave the dirt alone so you can ask for more things. So the shifting out is just as beautiful as the shifting in, and the shifting, it makes the shifting in that much more delicious, right? So that's a topic. You guys, please join us if, you know, staying in alignment is something that you are working to achieve. That group coaching program is phenomenal. There's some great people there, and it's really just about staying in alignment. It's about staying in fucking alignment all day, every day, getting out, realizing you're out, and getting back in. So you always have that space. But what happens for those people that are in this program is that miracles happen. Shit manifests every day, all day, every day, every day. Little things, big things, amazing, unbelievable shit all day long, all the time. Why? Because they are constantly working to hold that space, and that is what it's all about. So I will see you in day 9 video in just a little while. I love you, and if you have questions for me, please send them to me on Instagram. LaMeel Magic, that's where I'm most active, and I would love to hear from you and encourage you and help you celebrate your successes. All the boobs. No, it's down here.